Hey guys, it's Fancy. So today I'm doing a set with, I guess, angled tips. Not really sure what to call it, but anyways, I'm starting out with some aqua glitter, and I'm just making the rough outline of the angle that I want to do, and then kind of feathering it out. Doesn't need to look pretty. And then I'm gonna go in and do that on all 4 of the nails. So after I've done all 4 of the nails, I'm going in and I'm getting a little bit of clear acrylic and just wetting the area with that. And then I'm taking these little sequins that I've used in a few other videos, and I'm going to kind of line them up. I guess it's kind of strategic the way I'm doing it, just kind of offsetting them from each other. Again, it doesn't need to look perfect. It can be a little bit messy. It doesn't even need a pattern if you don't want it to. But I'm just doing that for every single one, a little bit of clear acrylic, picking it up, squishing it in the clear, and then going through all of the nails. And after I've done all of those nails and they've hardened, I'm then going in with some clear and creating the line that I want. Yet again, it doesn't need to be pretty because I will be covering this up with a white line later on. So it doesn't need to look perfect. I swear that should be my motto. But so I'm going in and getting all of those roughly to the shape that I'm gonna want. If you want, you can file these once they've hardened before you add any of the cover pink. So you can file it and make it a perfectly crisp line. I thought about doing that, but then I realized it's gonna be covered up anyway, so even if it's a little off, it doesn't really matter. And now I'm doing the cover pink over it, and I'm just putting it on in the shape I want and then kind of feathering it over that line because I'm going to file through it anyways. So again, it doesn't need to look perfect at this point. So after I finished all those nails, I file and buff them, and then I go over with a little bit of acetone to smooth out the surface. And now I'm just using some white gel, and I'm just creating a thin line along that that tip part. And this is why I was saying it doesn't need to be a perfectly crisp line, because it will be covered up with this gel. So this is the finished product. If you like it, maybe leave a comment, like the video, possibly subscribe. It really helps me out. And until next time, stay fancy.